The government-related ministries, fire authorities, and the general public are all on high alert down in the southern provinces due to the Typhoon Francisco. Now, in cases like this, the single most important thing for you to do is to stay safe. Now, here are some other tips to remember that will help you get through the storm or even a typhoon. Hello, I'm Michelle Parker with the latest weather update. The Typhoon Francisco is expected to land in Busan tonight and reach the city of Andong in Gyeongsangbuk-do Province past midnight, and then gradually weaken into a low pressure front. But heavy precipitation will continue until tomorrow. Over 200 millimeters of heavy rain will fall along the east coast, accompanied by winds of 30 meters per second. And the upper parts of the nation will see rain until tomorrow evening, and the precipitation will help lower the mercury a couple of degrees. And Beijing is also looking a lot cooler tomorrow with thunder and heavy rain in store. Now, Wednesday morning's commute will be stuffy and humid with Seoul and most regions waking up to 25 degrees Celsius on average. And the daily highs are looking more bearable tomorrow as Seoul climbs up to 30 degrees Celsius, while Daegu and Gyeongju both hit up to 33 degrees. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.